guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm working on a pocket letter today. I did get started a little bit on it. I have all of the squares laid out. Let me move that out of the way so I can show you guys more of it at once. I'm really trying to finish up this collection that I have. So I had some scrap pieces, so I decided to lay it out like this. I did decorate this card a little bit. I have the arrows and this, one of the cut aparts from the collection. I have some, I think they're 2x2 squares here to use up. I added a couple stickers. I do have this left of the sticker sheet, and I'm hoping to kill most of it today with this one. I did cut apart one of the cut aparts. I thought maybe I could pop this up a little bit on there. But yeah, let's see what we can do. Oh, a couple more things I did. I did create just a couple rosettes here that I'm not sure I was going to use. I might use one on the outside of the paper. And then I did create a couple flare buttons using the collection. I have this heart here. I have this heart, and then I just have an XOXO. So I'd like to incorporate those somehow. But let's go ahead. Let me see. This one might need a little bit of washi. I'm also trying to use up my washi. That matches that. So I might just go along the bottom with a pink skinny washi and a gold maybe. And we'll just go straight across. Tuck that around the back. And then I have gold skinny in here somewhere. There we go. So just something like that maybe. It just kind of brings in the gold from the top there. Just straighten it out a little bit. Okay. All right, so then that one is finished. We'll tuck this one in. Okay, next we'll do this one since I know I want to add that heart on top popped up. So I'll slide that in there. I'm just gonna add some, let me get rid of this. There we go. I'm gonna add some foam tape to the back of this. I just use the Dollar Tree foam tape. And usually when I'm doing pocket letters, if I'm gluing on top of the pocket letter on the plastic, I use a little bit of hot glue as well as the tape just to ensure that it stays on there. So I think that's good. Just take that off. And there, that is cute. All right, so I have those two done. I'll look at the top row here first. So let's see, I used a card from the cut apart there. Let's see what we have for some stickers. We have this really big one, "You are the sprinkle to my cupcake." What could we put that on? Go down in the corner like that. Looking at what else we have here. What can we pull in? Maybe some hearts from the collection. We'll do a little heart cluster up here. Got the smiley face, yellow, a red, And then we'll do a little gold one down. Okay, that's what that one looks like. Okay, so then this one, let's see what else we have. We could do one of the flare buttons or two. Put them both up there like that. That one. Like that. Okay, that'll at least keep them in place. That is okay like that. Okay, so the top row is done. I know it's kind of blinding you. Let me move it up a little bit. This is going to be the middle row. Let's see what we want on here. I think I'll do a sequin mix tucked in the front of this in a clear pouch. So let's work on this one. And I think I'm gonna do this Let's Hold Hands. Hands underneath. Okay. Let's see what else we can put on there. Add one of these hearts to the corner up there. All right, I think that one will be good for now. That's a little tight. I'm just gonna trim a tiny bit off the side here. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay, so that works in there. This one I'm just gonna put in. It's really tight too. Let me take just a sliver off the side of this one. Perfect. Okay, then we are on to the bottom row. And we've got this, and this, like that. Can kind of copy something like that on this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and trim as close to the edge as I can of the letters. So that's what I did on that one. And then I kind of offset it like that. And then I can trim off the back. So let me put this one down. All right, I'll take the extra off here. And then I'm going to repeat what I did up there. So I'm going to take the pink washi tape first, put it all the way across the bottom. Tuck that behind. And then I'm going to go in with the gold underneath. Like that. All right, and let's see if we have anything that is similar to the arrows. I don't think that we do. And nothing with the gold in it. This is kind of cute. I could do that in the corner. Okay, that. Okay, let's slide that one in. We have these two. If we do, can we work with this? I think I'm going to work with this on the outside of the pocket. So we're going to glue that there, and then we'll build up the front of it. Let's see what I have to use. That's cute. Off center that so the arrow is on the page. Okay, let's do that. I'm just going to put a little pop of hot glue here because it's going to stick right here in the center, like that. And then that's going to go there. I need something else. What can we put behind it? Okay, pull out that little doily to go there. So maybe use these tickets back here. Yeah, let's do that. We'll put these tickets on there. Like that. There, I like that. Okay. Hit that with some hot glue. Make sure that is going to stay. All right, and then I just pulled this little doily out of my stash, and I think we're going to go off the edge like that. Excuse me. And then we're going to find something to go in the middle of it. And I'm hoping that can be some kind of a sticker. What about this cactus? Okay, yep. I'm going with that. Just gonna hit this with a little hot glue. Okay. I'm just going through the sticker sheet. Got some hearts to use up here. I'm going to put those like that on that one. Got a little 14. I'll stick that on here. Down there in the corner. Let's see if we want anything else to go there. Let's put a few page flags on the top there. Just pick a couple random colors. And we'll just do a little kind of a banner across the top. Perfect. Okay, slide that back down in there. Just adds a little something in the background. I've got some little strawberries here and this little guy. The only thing would be to decorate either this or behind this. do like that up here in the corner. Okay, that's cute. Put this one in. All right, let's get out some of my jimmies. I've got some enamel dots here. I've got, what else? I've got pearls, I've got red, here's some silver. Do those. Purple, that's not gonna match. All right, let's see if we can just kind of pull in those aqua tones. There, we'll do that. Put some down here. Do that. Put one over here, here, and this, I have 3 left, so let's use them up on here. I'm gonna put one up there. That one is not gonna have any, they won't stay, so that's popped up too far. Let's do one here, and the last one we're gonna put there. Okay, perfect. So I used up that. The only thing I'm thinking, now I'm looking at this right here, and it matches like this peachy color up here, but it's not working for me down here. I'm not sure if I need something more pink. I'm gonna go through my stash here quick and see what I can find, and I'll be right back. So what I ended up doing is I took off that heart, I cut this little banner using a scrap piece of paper from the collection that I had. I put some twine behind there and I hot glued, I just cut one of the XOXO off of here and I glued that on top. So I like it much better. Tuck that little piece of string in there. Okay, so I have the front done. Probably gonna put some washi along the side here, and then I will fill up the pockets and I'll be back to show you the final project. Okay, I've got it all filled up with goodies. I put 2 puffy sticker hearts in the top row here. I've got a washi sample. I've got some rubber heart bracelets here. They can be used as a charm or a dangle, I thought maybe. I don't know, that's kind of what I was thinking when I picked them up. I've got some pink heart gemmies here. This was the sequin mix, so I left that one blank. Here are 2 rose gold bows that I had die cut. I've got a pocket full of tags, some puffy red hearts, and some tickets that match the collection. So this is it. Oh, and there is the sequin mix that I put together. It is, I put the strawberries on there, the stickers from the collection. I just filled it with a little polymer clay sequin mix. I'm going to include for sure a couple of these heart paper clips, and I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.